So what is up, guys? It's Jacob back here with another video today. I'm showing y'all how I teach my dogs load up. I've never really actually taught a dog to load up. Dan was my first dog, like my actual coon dog I got, and the boy I got him from already taught him how to load up. So I'm showing y'all how I taught Lucille load up. So she's right here with me. So I'll show y'all what she is. I just take like this lead I got. This is a horse lead, and I like grab it, like tie it on her neck. I'll show y'all. I grab it and I pull her this way. I do like one loop. Come on. And she messed up on me. And we come back up. So I pull her, she jumps. As I pull her back, I got this little horse lead. I don't know if y'all can see this, and I do a circle. And I run her up, and I just, hold on, she ain't wanting to. Come on. Come on, Lisa. So I pull her up, and there she goes. So thanks for watching. That's how I get my dogs to jump up. If they're too young, I just grab them by the collar and then grab like their hide and throw them up. So yeah, and that's how Lucille loads up. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you liked it, and subscribe for more, and have a nice day.